Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Peace and blessings of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala be upon all of you. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. I seek refuge with Allah from outcast shaitan. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious and most merciful. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. All praise is due to Allah, the Lord of the universe. Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim, the most compassionate and most merciful. Malik Yawmiddin, the master of the day of judgment. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. You alone we worship and you alone we ask for help. Ihdina siratal mustaqim. Guide us to the straight path. Siratal ladhina an'amta alayhim. The path of those you have blessed. Ghayril maghdubi alayhim waladdallin. And not of those who incurred your wrath, nor of those who have gone astray. Ameen. Accept it. Assalamu alaikum.